Hello everyone, so it's unboxing day with my next gay themed box of the month, and let's see what we have inside. So first of all, you have a cool guide of what all the products are inside and some instructions on how to enhance opening and enjoying your box. We have playing Spotify list, you follow the instructions, which makes it really cool. And so let's see. So you see, it's fully packed this month. We got some Fuji socks with a pretty cool pattern. Also, Sweet Banana underwear, white and orange, one of my favorite colors. Looking forward to try that one. Natural deodorant from 24/7.